Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a tahini spread without salt. The first thing you need to do is to squeeze a whole lemon. Okay, then after you squeeze the whole lemon, you pour the lemon juice into a small bowl, and then what I do is you put a little bit of water into the container of that you squeeze the lemon into. That's enough. And now we pour some more water into it. The water. Now we take some sesame seeds butter, tahini spread that comes in the jar. You pour a little bit. You don't need to pour much, and then you mix it to the right consistency. I like to use this type of mixing tool, and you just go ahead and mix it and mix it and mix it. If it's too runny, we'll have to add some more tahini spread, sesame seed spread, which is 100% sesame seeds without any salt added. But as you can see, it hardens a bit as you mix it, so you don't really need to put a lot in. See, maybe I'll put a bit more. If you want, you can add into it some garlic, fresh garlic. It's really nice. Some people can add, if you like some purple onion, is nice, but this is a plain tahini spread that I like to do. As you can see, as I mix it more, it becomes the exact great consistency that it's very tasty on top of salads and all sorts of dishes. So I hope you like this video. This is how you make a really easy tahini spread the Israeli way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And please let me know what you want. Would you like to see in the future? Have fun and enjoy life. Bye bye.